like I mean, of course, you would be doing something like, I mean, you would be in the teaching profession, but handwriting kind of a thing, you would be doing it for the first time. Okay,
True.
so when you started with the class with the students, okay, how was your experience? Like, how did you feel that how the course is? Was it easy to follow and do? And after that, also, like, what was the feedback of the parents? Like, how was their experience with you?
Yeah, so talking about feedback from parents, I have received really excellent feedback from all the parents. They are really happy with the way the classes are conducted, the way I train my students. So they are at times surprisingly shocked to see their kids handwriting, and they ask me, ma'am, ye isi ka handwriting hai? Pakka na? Because
Okay.
when we start with the class, we always take the before sample, before handwriting of the kids.
Yeah.
And once we are done with all the sessions, we take the final sample of the kids also. So when
Okay.
the kids see at the before and after sample, when the parents look at the before and after sample, they are shocked and they are like, ये हो ही नहीं सकता कि मेरे बच्चे ने इतना अच्छे से लिखा है. So they're so happy with the classes, and few of my parents, they were even worried because they joined many classes, but the students, do not complete the course. They are either bored or, they are not willing to do things on their own. But when
Of
they
course.
joined my classes, they were so excited. They are willing to come even on weekends. They are like, nahi ma'am, 1.5 घंटा ले लो, 2 घंटा ले लो, and they have completed the course. And even after that, they are still coming to me for the practice session. And the parents are like, वो आपके पास ही बैठ रहा है, प्लीज आप उसको सिर्फ बैठ के लिखाओ 1 घंटा तो भी इनफ है.